Marine in 15. Super smoothie. Very easy, very simple breakfast. Something you do the night before while you're cracking the evening meal. Let's open up the cupboards. Okay, let's open up the fridges. Here we go. Some frozen fruit straight into our container. Lovely jubbly. In it goes. Load of spinach. Okay, great source of iron. Let's ram that in, guys. Let's not worry about measurements. Let's not get too technical. Okay, we've got some nice porridge oats. In they go with our fibre. Some natural yogurt on the top of that. Nice big dollop of that. As you can see, I'm not measuring anything out here. Just enjoy cooking with food. A little bit of honey. Our glucose, our natural glucose. And then followed by a nice big dash of milk. Here goes the milk, in it goes. Let it sink all the way to the bottom. Let's get the top on. All can be done the night before. Preparation in food is everything. Top tip with the top. Just nicely turn it over once you tightened it so nothing comes out. Onto the machine, nice and easy. Just be gentle with the machine, hold it down, press. Twirl it up, smash it up Royal Marine style. Let's get that smoothie making. That's done, off it comes. Give it a little taste. Very important you taste it before placing it into the fridge. Give it a little taste. Outstanding. Top on. Into the fridge. Breakfast tomorrow. On the run. Marine in 15. Boom.